بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to you in your English class. As you all know that we did daily start our class with alphabet poem. So are you ready? Okay, stand up and start the poem. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Okay students, very good. Today is our revision day. Today is our revision day. Okay students, let's start from A. This is A and the sound A. A sound A. A sound A. B. B sound B. B sound B. B sound B. C. C sound K. C sound K. C sound K. C sound K. D. D. D sound D. D sound D. D sound D. D sound D. E. E. E sound E. E sound E. E sound E. F. F. F sound F. F sound F. F sound F. F sound F. Okay students, now we will revise that things. We start from the sound D. But first we will repeat the poem. Okay? I am D. I am D. I am D, the letter D. I make a sound D, D, D. I make a sound D, D, D. I am D, the letter D. I make a sound D, D, D. Okay. D, doll. D, doll. The doll. The doll. The donkey. What is this? Donkey. What is this? Donkey. The donkey. The donkey. Desk. What is this? Desk. What is this? Desk. The desk. The desk. The beginning sound of desk is the. The desk. The dog. The dog. The dog. The dog. The dog. The door. The door. The door. What is this? Door. What is this? Door. The door. The door. Okay बच्चों, ये वो सारी थिंग्स है जो साउंड द से स्टार्ट होती हैं. Look at these words. And the beginning sound of these words, the. Look at these words. Okay. Now, what is this? E. What is this? E. And the sound E. E sound E. E sound E. Okay बच्चों, मेरे साथ पढ़ें E की पोएम. I am E. I am E. I am E. The letter E. I make a sound. E, e, e. I make a sound. E, e, e. Okay students, look at these words. बच्चों, ये वो थिंग्स हैं जो साउंड ए से स्टार्ट होती हैं. ओके, मेरे साथ पढ़ें. एलिफेंट, एलिफेंट, एलिफेंट. इंजन, इंजन, इंजन. आई, आई, I, I, egg, egg. What is this? Egg. What is this? Egg, egg. Elbow. What is this? Elbow, 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 elbow. Okay, very good. Now, look at this card. This is F and the sound F. Sound is F sound. मेरे साथ पढ़ें बच्चों. F sound, F sound. Okay बच्चों, look at these things. They start from sound. These things start from sound. Okay, अब मेरे साथ पढ़ें. Flag, 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 flag. Fish, fish, fish. Finger, finger, finger. Frog, frog, frog. Fan, fan, fan. Okay students, we have revised these all things with their beginning sounds. Okay students, उम्मीद है आपने सीख लिया होगा. Okay students, now it's your homework time. Your homework time. बच्चों, आपका होमवर्क इंतहाई आसान है. आपने इन थिंग्स को इनके बिगिनिंग साउंड के साथ याद करना है और एक अच्छी सी वीडियो बनवानी है और हमें व्हाट्सएप पे सेंड करनी है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लुक एट दीज वर्ड्स. इनको अच्छी तरह से याद करें और अच्छी सी वीडियो बनवाएं. ओके, हैव अ नाइस डे. अल्लाह हाफिज.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.